Hey there, welcome to VisJoint. Today I'm going to show you how to check the engine coolant level in your Kia Sportage. Proper coolant maintenance is essential to keep your engine running smoothly and to prevent overheating. Kia recommends checking your coolant level at least once a month. First, make sure your car is parked on a level surface and that the engine is cold. Now let's pop the hood and locate the coolant reservoir. In most Sportage models, the coolant reservoir is a translucent white plastic container located on the left side of the engine bay. Next, you will need to visually inspect the coolant level. The reservoir has two markings, minimum and maximum. The coolant level should be between these two markings when the engine is cold. If the coolant level is at or below the minimum mark, it's time to add some coolant. Make sure you use the correct type of coolant recommended for your Sportage. You can find this information in your owner's manual or on the reservoir cap itself. For this Sportage, Kia recommends using high quality ethylene glycol coolant. See the link in the description if you want to buy this coolant. Now carefully open the coolant reservoir cap. Remember, the engine should be cold to touch before you do this. If it's hot, wait for it to cool down before proceeding. Using a funnel, slowly add the coolant to the reservoir until the level reaches to the maximum mark. Be cautious not to overfill it. Once you have filled it to the proper level, securely close the coolant reservoir cap. And that's it. You have successfully checked and topped up the engine coolant in your Kia Sportage. Regularly inspecting and maintaining a coolant level is crucial for the health of your engine. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.